Hello everybody, and in this tour I'm going to take you to the Monument Tower, which is right there. It's in a very historical tower, and we'll go there and check around and see what's around, and it will be a nice quick tour, and let's go and explore, guys. The height is 170 meters tall. It looked tiny, but actually at some point this was the tallest structure in the world. It's built in 1800. Along the way there's museum and a lot of museum actually, and so if you guys want to explore more history, then you guys can do that too. So it took about 15 minutes from the Capitol building to the tower. Right there, that's the White House building. It's about 15 minutes walk from here. This thing is huge. That's about, I would say, maybe 10 meter wide, and it's a nice sitting area here. People sit, make pictures, and it's just nice and wide. It's beautiful. So this is a close shot from the nearest the wall, and that's look like it's made of marble. Yeah, it's a nice marble all the way to the top, and this thing is tall, guys. Go all the way up.
Oh, you know what, that picture I have when I was in the site I showed you?
It doesn't look like a marble, but I guess it's a marble. It has a texture to it. And that's the entrance going to the tower. And again, I will show, if you guys wanted to go inside, then make sure to book the ticket in advance. And I will link those information to the video. So this is it, guys. It was nice. It's a nice, beautiful day to do this. Okay, folks, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if so, give it a like, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.